Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down.
Yo, it's your boy D Tech World, back with another video. Today's video is gonna be about my new wireless charger duo that I just got maybe like 2 days ago. Just got it. About to hook it up, do the unboxing, and let you know how it works. One with the white, cause I have the Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus, the white. So I just wanted everything to match. Even though I'm scared because since this is white, it might get dirty really quick. But we're gonna put it to the test and we're gonna find out. It was out of the black one on the white one. I said, nah, let me go ahead and just get the white. Let me keep everything organized. So I went on and got the white because eventually I was supposed to change this band out. I never got around to it. Y'all got so much stuff be going on. I'm gonna just get the band so it can match the white. I actually got another band too. I didn't even put on yet. It's a blue one. But let's go ahead and get this box open. Got my best friend here, Sexy Knife. So let's go ahead and get it open. Alright, so I went on and took off the tape. So on the front, Samsung wireless charger duo. Just the white. You got your little mini charger for your watch. And I went with the one with the kickstand to put the phone on. There's two different ones. It's the same thing. Nothing is really different. Only thing that's different is this one actually lays flat and the other one sits up. I want the one that sits up because I'm gonna have this right by my bed. I can just look at my phone, roll over, look at it, you know, see if I got a message or anything like that. So this is how it looks, which we're gonna see in a minute. That's how your phone's gonna look. Then you can charge your watch or you can charge another phone on there. So it's pretty neat. And this has been out for a while. So it's not nothing new, guys. It just came out, if you were just wondering. It's been out for a while. I'm not gonna read all of that. Pretty much you can charge multiple devices out of one single wall outlet. Glad that they include that. So you can read the notifications, you can even watch videos, charge 2 phones at once. You can do S3, so even support the Gear S3 watch, the older one, which mine's had technical difficulties. If y'all watched my last maybe 2 or 3 videos when I uploaded the watch video, and I was explaining why I had bought the other watch, because there's no really big huge difference between the Galaxy watch and then the Gear S3 watch, in my opinion. So if you do stick out that Gear S3 and you want this, it charges. It has a built-in fan, keep everything nice and cool. Sports wireless charging, all QI universal standard smartphone. So pretty much if you have a smartphone you don't and it's not Samsung, if you pretty much have that wireless charging, I'm guessing, or that NFC or whatever that makes it, you should be able to use it with that. On the other side, you got your fast charge with compatible smart Samsung phone. It's just going down the list, same thing again. Charge 2 phones, charge a watch on the phone, and it is QI certified. All right, nice little black box. Let's see if I can one hand open this up, y'all. Oh, did it. All right, y'all. When I get more set up, and I just started spring cleaning yesterday, throwing a lot of stuff around the house in the room, trying to get like a little setup. I have so much stuff in this house. where I can do better unboxing videos. Because most time I do a review, most time I'm at the front of the camera. I'm on the other side of the camera. Y'all actually can see me. I like doing videos like that. So there's nothing else in the box. Yeah, I'm giving me a nice little setup and everything. So just bear with me. It's another box, nice little cube. So I can one-hand it. If I can one-hand this thing without tearing it. I gotta make sure y'all share my video. Got it. Alright, it's probably all your usual books and stuff in here. Got your quick start guide. We can throw that to the side. We ain't gonna read none of that. What for? That's why we smart. That's your USB-C. USB. Wow, this is huge. I wasn't expecting it to be this huge. Jesus Christ. This is huge. Well, it's just wider, just fatter. It look real huge. All right. That's your brick. Goes into the wall, and that's it. Put that to the side. This is how it look. Now I wonder if I was gonna say I can keep it in there, but the cable don't have anywhere. Well, I get, and it also don't have anywhere to breathe too, I'm guessing. Oh well. I just have to keep it nice and clean, wipe it down every day. Take the plastic off. I'm doing everything with one hand today. That's it. All right, y'all. Let me get this plugged up real quick. Throw some phones and some watches on it. Let's see it work. All right, y'all. So I got it plugged up in the outlet. Plugged it up. They had two red LEDs popped on, like on this pad. So it might come on reappear when I put something on it. So you got your fast charge right here. Got your fast charge right there. Nice little smooth padding, real smooth. You got your condoms on the bottom to protect it, make sure it don't move. All right, so I got my old baby right here. It just was sitting close by. So this is the S8 Plus. So this is like really dead. LED is on, that red light. There you go. Popped on. And stove. Oh, make sure I ain't got no activities. So, there we go. Oh wait, you got it. And it don't help because I got, there you go. It's charging now. So once it be on a flat surface, it won't be all crazy or whatnot. So bam, that's charging. There you go. Yeah, it's like, that was like fully dead, so that might take a little time for it to pop out. And I just wanted to try my old watch to see, because see, just to see if my old watch will come on. I still haven't figured out why this watch just went out. I think I just got my use stuff out of it, to be honest with you. And I might just try another time, because I don't know if the watch is off. So I never charged the watch up while it's been completely dead, because I don't know if anything comes on, which I'm pretty sure it do. I don't know. That is charging. Anyway, I'll try it a different time. So you're supposed to be able to charge the phone here. There we go. So it gotta be kind of like right in the middle. And make sure it pops on. There we go. So you can charge the two phones right there. I want you to put a watch right here. Nah, I don't think it's gonna work. But yeah, y'all, this is it. So this is how it will look. It comes in two different styles. I think only two different colors, black and white. I went with the white. It also comes with this stand actually just laying flat, like that. Just lay flat, you just put your phone on here. And this one has the stand version. I want the stand because I'm gonna have it facing me next to my bed. I can look at my phone, check my notifications, and then even if I'm just laying down, I can watch my videos on my phone charger. So it's a win-win for me. I can see what notifications I got. I'm waking up, taking a piss, look at it. Okay, got a text message and look at it, you know. So that's all I got. All I got for y'all today. I'm trying to do better with these videos. I have some more videos this week. If you like what you see, have any questions, did I miss anything or did I say anything wrong, let me know down in the comments below. I'm still new at this, and I appreciate for the people that have been commenting on my last videos and showing me love, liking it, and telling me I got some good videos. For me just starting out, thank you. Really appreciate it. Really trying to learn and get better at what I'm doing. So, like I said, comment, want to tell me something, inbox me, send me a message, follow my social medias. I got everything linked on my YouTube. Like, share, please. Comment, like, hit that bell. Please get this page jumping. The more people I can start getting for reviews, commenting and liking it, I'm gonna start giving stuff away. I want to actually buy gift cards, give it away. You know, buy little headphones, whatever, give it away. I want to start doing that stuff. All right, enough of me going on the rant. Y'all just hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this video. It's your boy D Tech World. I'm out. Peace.
Don't mind you looking, cause she mine, girl. She for me. Fall off, she gon' hold it down.